Hi everyone, I know all are waiting for math session, so let us start today's class. But before starting today's class, let us recapitulate what we have learnt in our previous class. In our previous class, we have learnt numbers from 201 to 300, place value, face value, expanded form. Now let us start today's class. So let us start today's class. Here you will learn numbers from 301 to 500. So you have to complete this page from 301 to 400. You have to write with forward numbers. Next, numbers from 401 to 500. You have to complete this following grid by writing 401 to 500. Numbers up to 500. After completing this, let us move to the check pointer 1.5. Here, the first main is complete the following table. One example they have done. So, the number is 322. We have to place it in its proper place, that is ones, tens and hundreds column, and we have to write the expanded form of this place value and face value, and you have to draw the beads on the abacus, write the number and number name. This and all I have taught you for the numbers from 201 to 300. Now we are learning from 301 to 500. So moving to the next question, that is 437. You have to write in its place ones place, tens place and hundreds place, then its expanded form, its place value, face value. You have to draw the beads on the abacus scale. You have to write the number and number name for this. Like that you have to complete this main. After finishing first main, let us move towards second main, that is write the number names. You have to write number name for these numbers. The first number is 250. You have to write TWO HUNDRED 100 FIFTY 50. Like you have to complete this number names. After completing second main, third main, that is write the place value of the underlined digit. So you have to see carefully which number, which digit they have underlined under ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So keeping in mind that, let us start the first question, that is 324. 2 is in the tens place. The digit 2, it is in the tens place. So the value of place value of 2 is 20. 324. Just listen to me how I am reading out the number 324. So 20 is the place value of the digit 2. Likewise, you have to complete the remaining sums, that is 278. 8 is in ones place. So the answer is 8 itself. 469. 4 is in hundreds place. You have to write 400 400 in the given box. Like that you have to complete this main, and let us move towards next main, that is write the numbers. They have given the expanded form. You have to write it standard form. Its standard form is nothing but you have to write the numbers. So one example they have done, 400 plus 30 plus 9, 439. Next number is 376. 376. The number is 376. 202. 200 plus 2. So 202. The last one is 400 plus 50. That is 450. 450. Ordering numbers. Ordering numbers is nothing but, there are nothing but just we have to place the number in order. So ordering number, there are two types: ascending order and descending order. Ascending order, where the numbers are arranged from the smallest number to the biggest number, it is called as ascending order. And where the numbers are arranged from the biggest number to the smallest number, it is known as descending order or decreasing order. Here Try this, they have given. Try this. Compare the following. Already I taught you how to compare the numbers. So, to the bigger number side, the crocodile mouth, it should be open. So, the numbers are here 175. Which is the bigger number? 100. So, the crocodile mouth should open towards 100. 189 and 300. Which is the bigger number among these two? 300. So, the crocodile mouth should open towards 300. Let us start check pointer 1.6. Here you have to circle the greatest number. Three numbers are given. You have to circle the greatest number. Suppose we'll start with the A 201, 101, 401. So among these numbers 401 is the greatest number. So you have to circle 401. Next question is 500, 15 and 9. So as we all know, 3-digit number is always greater than 2-digit and single-digit number. So here 500 is the greatest number. Like that, you have to complete these sums and let us move towards next main, that is circle the smallest number. In this second main, we have to circle the smallest number. 333, 111, 444. So, in this, among these three numbers, which is the smallest number? 111. Second question. Coming to the second question, 289, 312, 134. Which is the smallest number? 134, isn't it? So 134 is the smallest number. Likewise, you have to complete the remaining sums. Let us start the third main, that is arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from the smaller number to the bigger number. Here the smallest number is, first you have to read out the numbers and you have to see 390, 420, 440, 370, 450. So which is the smallest number? 370. So first write 370. After 370, 390. So in the next box write 390. After that 420. After 420, 440. After 440, the last one is 450. Likewise, you have to complete the second one. The fourth main is arrange in descending order. Descending order means arranging the numbers from the biggest number to the smallest number. You have to read out the numbers first. After that, write the biggest number first, then next. So here the numbers are 421, 401, 456, 458 and 500. So among these numbers, 500 is the biggest number. So first write 500 in the first box. After writing 500, just check which is the number next to that. So 458. So the next number is 458. After that 456. After 456, 421. And the last number is 401. Like that, you have to complete the next one by writing the... Coming to the fifth main, that is compare the following using greater, lesser or equal signs. Here we have to compare these two numbers and we have to insert the proper sign. So 125 and 152. Among these two numbers, 152 is bigger number. So crocodile mouth should be open towards bigger number. So the first symbol you will insert in A box. Moving to the next B, 454 and 454. Both the sides the numbers are equal. So you have to put equal sign. Moving to third question, that is 200 and 202. Here 202 is greater than 200. So we have to insert the first symbol. Likewise, you have to complete the remaining sums and let us recapitulate what we have learned today. Today we have learnt place value, face value, expanded form, the number and number names from 301 to 500, ordering numbers, comparing numbers. Bye. See you in the next class.